So that is Basil, and that is my Sherpa. Looking at the head, oh, that's some serious knock on the piston. Wow, that's a hit. The exhaust valves have hit the piston. Also the inlet valves. The inlet valves have also just barely scraped the surface. I believe we can use the piston. Basil says we can use the piston, not a problem. That's just a small hit. I don't think that ought to be a problem. It primarily is because of timing that went wrong. Don't know how that happened. I have already done 2 valve clearances on this. Everything was fine. But the third time I did my valve clearance, something went wrong. I don't really understand. The machine would not start, and this is the result of it. 2 knocks on the piston head. Both inlet valves and exhaust valves. You guys can see that discoloration. That is where the valves have hit the piston head, piston crown. Yeah, that's exactly where the valves are hit. And Basil says that we can use the block and the piston without any problems, no worries. It hasn't scoring on the board. No. There's no scoring in the board. We can continue using this, and the head. The situation of the head is well, things look fine here. The valves don't look like they've jumped off the seat. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് തട്ടി പോയി ഇരുന്നു അല്ലേ തിരിച്ച് സീറ്റ് It doesn't look like they have shifted their position from the seat, but yeah, it is leaking compression. So it's not holding compression, and we'll have to petrol running nokkalle. But this doesn't look like catastrophic damage. My machine won't start after the third valve clearance check. I just couldn't make out why. I had no understanding of why it would not start. So I sent the bike to the garage. I wanted to open the engine up and see what's going on. So that's going to be a check. നല്ല വെളിച്ചമാണ്. நல்லா இருக்கியா? போன வாட்டி வரும்போது அப்படியே ரொம்ப மோசமா இருந்தேன். ஒரு லைட்டு ஏதா இருக்கா கொஞ்சம்? Okay. So just checking if the valves are leaking compression, and inlet. ഇൻലെറ്റിലും ഉണ്ടല്ലോ ലീക്ക്. അത്ര വരാൻ പാടുണ്ടോ? അത് ദൈവം ദൈവം ഇത് വാൽവ് ബെൻഡ് ആണോ സീറ്റ് ഡാമേജ് ആണോ പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല അല്ലേ? വാൽവ് ബെൻഡ്. സോ Basil says that's a clear case of the valves bending, and but ഇത് ഇവിടുന്ന് ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നില്ല. സീറ്റിൽ നീങ്ങിയ പോലെ തോന്നുന്നില്ല. ഇല്ല. ഓക്കെ,
സീറ്റിംഗ് ഇഷ്യൂ മാത്രമേ ഉള്ളൂ.
ഓക്കെ,
എക്സോസ്റ്റ്
വാൽവ് ബെൻഡ് ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, so that's a clear case of valve bend. Inlet, he says, is just a seating issue. നോർമൽ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, ഓക്കെ. സോ ഇപ്പൊ എന്താ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്യുന്നത് അതൊന്നും പറഞ്ഞേക്കാം.
നമ്മള് വാൾവ് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കും.
ഓക്കെ
സ്പെൻഡ് നമ്മൾ കൺഫേം ചെയ്തതിന് ശേഷം
ഓക്കെ
വാൾവ് പുതിയ വാൾവ് സെറ്റ് ചെയ്യാനാണ് നമ്മുടെ പ്ലാൻ.
Okay, so he says that he plans on removing the valves, and once he's confirmed what is the damage of the valves, we'll plan on replacing the valves and the valve guides also valve guides, and that's the same head is going back on the motor. But if by some chance Royal Enfield agrees to give us swap warranty claim can be done, we shall do that also. We'll see if that is a possibility. ഒരു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് കാണാനില്ലല്ലോ, അടിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഓക്കെ, so that's the update with poor old Sherpa. Timing chain മാറ്റാൻ പറ്റും നമുക്ക്, ഇത് സ്ട്രെച്ച് ആയി കാണും ചിലപ്പോൾ, പറയാൻ പറ്റില്ല. Timing chain may have gotten stretched, so we'll also replace that, and that will be that. That's the case with the Sherpa and the Sherpa's valves. Poor old Sherpa. Okay, so that's the update. Hopefully this ought to have helped a lot of you fellas who are still wondering what's going on with the Sherpa. And yeah, once I'm done replacing the head, we have a local machinist to whom this head will be handed over to, and hopefully they'll be able to fix this. Replacement valves are available with Royal Enfield. Replacement parts are available, but I think Basil has contacts with them and he'll be able to procure them. But I don't think this is available for people like you and me to just go to the service station and ask for components for the head. What's going on now is every head that comes up with a rattling noise is being replaced free of cost by Royal Enfield, because they call it a first generation issue, so they're doing it on goodwill. But we'll see whether this goes for a replacement or I'll have to swap this out at a local machinist. If that's possible, then we use the same head, hopefully clean up the crown, piston crown, and then get the job done. That's the case. That's the Sherpa, and this is Kickstart Garage. A beautiful workstation, and more than happy to be trusting my motorcycles with them. Big thumbs up, recommended. You guys can come here, get your jobs done.